Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Wednesday, April 9th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1, I have a. Correct. And up is the opposite of down. Very good. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. I have a question for you. I have a question for you. Question. Words that we put together when we want to know something. Now we can make a flashcard for question. Please write question up here in the top left corner. Question. Down in this corner, GN1. This means grammar noun, level 1. Also V3. And the number is 13 out of 17. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Question. Question. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. The cat climbed up the tree. The cat climbed up the tree. Up. It climbed away from the ground towards the sky. Now we can make a flashcard for up. Up is the opposite of down. Please make a card like this. Write up here in the top left corner, UP. Down here, the code, GW1. This means grammar word, level 1, and also A2. And the number 117 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Up. Game over. You did very well today. Please repeat. Do you have a question for me? Very good. And the opposite of down is up. Correct. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Can you say it? Radish. Very nice. This is a food. And the house is very quiet. It is silent with an L. Very good. And irregular verb, send, sent, sent. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card. We have a rotating schedule, so you can join anytime